We move through our days just surrounded by people, but how much do we really see? I mean, beyond just the faces, there's this whole world of invisible effort that's, well, holding everything together. In this explainer, we're going to learn how to see it. Just take a quick second. Seriously, think about your day so far. From the moment you woke up to right now, how many people have you actually crossed paths with? 10? 50? I bet it's way more than you think. We're just constantly surrounded by other people. Okay, but now for the real question. Of all those people, how much of their effort did you actually notice? The focus, the little bit of struggle, the care they're putting into their work. It's one thing to see a person, but it is a whole other thing to see their contribution. And this right here is the core idea. We are all in this thing together, but it's kind of like an iceberg, right? Most of the work that keeps the community afloat happens just beneath the surface. That's all that invisible work we so often miss. So this leads us to a really important concept, consideration. And I'm not just talking about, being polite. Think of it as an active practice. It's a conscious choice you make to first notice the effort someone is putting in, and then, this is the key part, to actually acknowledge it. It's a skill, and it's one you can totally build. So why does this matter so much? Well, let's dive into the powerful feelings that are tied to our efforts, and we'll see why even a tiny moment of recognition can have such a massive impact.
Come on, think about a time you worked really hard on something. Could be a big project for work, or even just cleaning up a messy kitchen. You put in all that time and energy, and crickets. Nothing. No one said a word. How did that feel? Pretty deflating, right?
And that feeling, it's not just a feeling. It has real consequences. When our effort just vanishes into thin air, unnoticed, our motivation takes a nosedive. We start thinking, you know what? Why bother? It makes us way less likely to put in that same kind of effort next time. And wow, the contrast here is just so stark. Unnoticed effort. It leaves us feeling demotivated, frustrated, even kind of lonely. But when that exact same effort gets acknowledged, suddenly it's validating, it's encouraging, it connects us to the people around us. It makes us feel like we're part of a team. So what does it feel like to have someone actually see and acknowledge the hard work you've put in? That feeling is incredibly powerful. It's the fuel that says your work matters, you matter, and that can transform a really tough task into a meaningful contribution. And this goes so far beyond just individual feelings. That simple act of acknowledging effort, it creates this powerful ripple effect. It's the kind of thing that can strengthen entire communities from the ground up. And here's the crucial takeaway. Acknowledging effort isn't just a nice little gesture. It is a fundamental community-building skill. Seriously. When people feel seen, they become more engaged, more collaborative, and way more invested in the success of the whole group. And you can see this path play out everywhere you look. It starts in the classroom, right? Fostering a real love of learning. Then it expands out into our communities, making those social bonds stronger. And eventually, it becomes an absolutely vital skill in the workplace, leading to teams that are more productive and way more innovative. Okay, so we've covered the what and the why. Now for what I think is the most important part, how you can actually put this into practice. Let's talk about the simple, concrete things you can do to make all that invisible effort around you visible. So how can you do this? Look, it's easier than you think. Instead of a generic good job, try a really specific compliment. A simple, sincere thank you goes such a long way. Mentioning someone's contribution to other people, incredibly powerful. Or you could even just ask, wow, how did you do that? It shows you actually see the work they put in.
When it comes right down to it, it all boils down to this one simple thing. Before you can say anything, before you can do anything, you have to make a conscious choice to just look for the effort happening all around you. It's a real shift in perspective, from just passively observing to actively seen. So I'll just leave you with this one last question. Think of one person. It doesn't have to be some grand gesture. A single sentence is more than enough to make their effort visible. So how are you going to acknowledge someone's effort today?